In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple animation in Canva with any object at all, any element. Let's get into it. The first step is to set the scene. Okay, so I'm going to add an image. Yes, I like this image. I'll set it as the background. Good. Then I'll add this one too. Remove the background, scale it, bring it down, click on edit, select mono, then we change the colors to black. Scale it, bring it down. Yes, this is okay. Click on edit, see all. You see dual tone, click on custom, change highlight to black, the intensity keep it at 100. We've gotten exactly what we want, so let's keep it that way. Now we have set the scene already. We need to add the elements that will apply the animation on. So hit elements, I'll add this image. I'll go to edit, do the same thing for this one as well. Filter, dual tone. So select custom, change the color to black. So I want to duplicate this. I want to add our last image, so this one. So let's set our first animation. So I'll click on the image, go to animate, then create animation. I want to create a custom animation over here. There are a lot of animations you can choose from over here, but for this specific one, we want to create our own animation. So click on that one and look at the tutorial over here. So it says click on the elements, hold and then drag to where exactly you want the element to move to. So you're going to do the same thing. That's it. The movement wasn't proper because I didn't do the animation well. So when you are trying it, make sure you take your time and then do it well. So let's do it for the second image as well. Good. Now let's move to the last image. Yeah, so that is it, as simple as that. So now we want to download our animation. Hit share and make sure to download it as an MP4. So you want to download only this page. The quality is okay, and hit download. So let's see how our animation looks like. Great. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment.